Getting a successful business up and running is one of the hardest things anyone could try to achieve. Peter Jones was one of those people who did everything he could to get to the top and make a lot of money. He's now one of the principal investors on Dragon's Den and has been on the show since its conception. However, he certainly ruffled the feathers of a contestant on tonight's installment of the BBC show. Francesco Balance, Christine Martin and Liz Arlett were on the program this evening, and they were looking for £50 for a 2% stake in their company Feral Horses, an art investing platform. After their initial pitch, Peter started quizzing the trio and made his opinions on their company very clear and seemed staggered at the £2.5 million that the business is currently valued at. "This is basically quite a high-risk stock exchange for art," began Peter, "and that really concerns me that you're going potentially to take money from people that don't know anything about art but could now lose money." "We are not saying that investing in art is not a high-risk investment," replied one of the business owners, Liz Arlett. "The idea is that with fractional ownership we can diversify your portfolio, so we can invest in more than one artwork, and therefore they don't have put all their eggs in one basket." Peter then tried to cut in, but the business owner continued regardless. "And we can take a little as 10% commission and make sure that all the rest of the money is going to the artist," she added. "At the moment when artists cannot create enough art for everyone and they cannot make affordable arts for all the people who want to acquire art because that would destroy their value." Peter retorted, "I understand that, and it's a really nice speech, but it's absolutely ridiculous that you have been able to get away with a £2.5 valuation at this point. It's beyond sense. And until you've proven that model, until you've built a business, you can't have the credibility you need to get investment. You've done really well to get away with it," he finished. "That makes us sound like thieves, which that's far from what we are," interjected another fellow business owner, Francesco Palanca. "No, I'm not saying you're like thieves," replied Peter. Suffice to say that the trio left without having received any bids from the Dragons since the other four were also unsure of their art investment platform. Dragon's Den airs next Sunday at 8 p.m. on BBC Two.